not restricted to brains. I mean, if in biology we see quantum classical phenomena on cellular level, what are your thoughts there, Sir Roger? Do you think consciousness could a bacterium be conscious, for instance, or?
Could be. The thing is, I don't know. You see, I think consciousness is certainly not restricted just to humans. That I'm certain. But how far down, if I can use the word down, in the animal or even plant, and how far does it go? You see, but if people are dog owners, they're very convinced that their dogs are conscious, and I believe that is correct. I have no reason to disbelieve that. I think that dogs are conscious. I think that elephants are conscious. I think that octopuses are conscious. They don't have to be mammalian at all. But whether an ant is conscious or not, I won't worry more about. Maybe, maybe not. Whether a honeybee is conscious, maybe a better chance. I think they do complicated things. They seem to be able to even do simple arithmetic, apparently. So, how far down, if I can use the word down, in the animal kingdom it goes, I have no idea. I think it probably goes pretty far down. Whether a bacterium could be considered to be conscious, I would be much more dubious about. But I'm only guessing.
Yeah, yeah. But and yeah, sorry, just one, because I'm so curious what your thoughts are. In people have like panpsychist ideas when they think, let's say a cell is conscious, and then they have what's called the combination problem, because how then do I feel like one consciousness hunts and not sort of a sort of weird sensation of being trillion cells at the same time? Are these stuff that you think about or have thoughts on?
Well, it's got to be something. So I do think it's got something to do with the quantum state, and since I argue it to be to do with the collapse of the wave function, then you've got to have a wave function to collapse, and big wave functions collapse more than little wave functions in a certain sense. So, according to such a view, you would have to have quite a big coherent object. You see, it's wrong probably to think of individual cells. It's probably a collective effect. I mean, many quantum effects are like that. When you talk about superconductivity, there are many quantum effects which are quite big in a certain sense of extensive quantum fluidity, things like that. Sure. So it's not just thinking of it as individual atoms, how much does each atom have, and add it up. That's not the out. It's got to be some much more collective definition.
And I have one